Hi everyone, video 2, Arctic Expo 2023 in aid of Prostate Cancer UK. We've arrived at New Zealand and it's the local time now. Let's have a look. It is 8:39 local time, so we're an hour in front of UK summertime. It's pretty breezy, and we had the wind behind us over the channel and then travelling up through France and Belgium. We've been touching, I think we've seen 106 mile an hour with the wind behind us most of the way, to be honest. Really good. It was tough flying down to the south coast. We were fairly low, the winds were strong, we were getting bounced around, and I remember thinking to myself that if I didn't have a seatbelt on, I'd have been out of the seat on several occasions, but all good, nothing bad happened, so that's great. So tent's all set up. That's my hotel for the night. Let's have a look at the GTR. She's all liveried up in expedition mode. So we've got all the sponsors stickers on. Social Graft, that's my daughter's company. Howden's Timber, Main Core, GS Aviation, Deanthorpe Aerodrome, Spender's Motorcycles, Fleckney Autofix, JPH Steelworks, got Sky Demon, Storing.com, and Dealey Floor Preparation. Thanks to you guys, you're making this possible. Nice one. So what we've got in here, we're all kitted out. Got a clock here with a timer on it. That's always set to Zulu time, which is basically GST or our winter time in the UK. FlyDAT, transponder, airspeed, vertical speed indicator, altitude indicator, fuel gauge, that's my radio. I've got a tablet that goes there, I've took it out and put it in the tent. This bit of kit here, switch it on, is my fuel monitor. So that tells me what I'm burning per hour, and it also counts down, it measures the fuel going through the pipe, and it tells me how much I've got left. So on the last leg, I used 30 litres, so I've got 30 litres remaining. So it's proving to be a good bit of kit. That's where my phone goes on there. Got Sky Demon running on it. Temperature gauge, outside temperature that is. Let's have a look around the airfield quickly before it gets too dark. So when we arrived, we parked them up there, and then we came straight around to see the guys, the customs and immigration guys, who were waiting for us in the doorway. We were slightly late. We were supposed to be here by 8 o'clock local time. It was about 10 past 8. The guys were waiting for us in the doorway, but very friendly. They weren't bothered. They were happy to see us. They looked at our passports, took photos of our passports, and then they were gone. Then when we went upstairs into the tower, the three guys up there, very friendly, told them what we were doing, and they waived our landing and camping fees because we're doing it for charity. Prostate Cancer UK. Quite special that, we were quite touched. And then they went down into the kitchen and they said, would you mind staying open for these guys? They've just flew from England. And they said, yeah, no problem. So they poured us a beer and sorted us some food out. Fantastic, what a place. Dave's got his tent up. How we doing, Dave?
Alright, sorted. Yeah, I think we're there.
Looking good. Dave's hotel.
Yeah.
For this evening. Dave's all kitted out with all his stickers on for the sponsors. Same as me. Fleckney Autofix, GS Aviation, Howdens, JPH Steelwork, Deanthorpe Aerodrome, main car, what we've got up here, Storing.com, Social Graft, Spenders Motorcycles, Sky Demon, Daily Floor Preparation. Thanks for watching, everybody. Catch up with you tomorrow.
Bye.